Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Lilia. On this recipe, I thought let's celebrate 4th of July with an American classic dessert. So I've got this no-bake key lime pie recipe, which takes all the goodiness of a traditional recipe, but it's no-bake. So that's the best part because it keeps you out of a really hot kitchen in the summer. So I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Please make sure to not only subscribe, but also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my tasty videos. To start out with this recipe, I'm going to begin with the crust and then move on to the filling. That way it ensures that the filling doesn't end up curdling on us. In goes the melted butter. We're going to stir this into well combined. This is going to be the crust for our dessert. We start molding all of the edges. The zest is just going to enhance that lime flavor even more. So make sure you just remove all of the green part, but none of the white. You don't want it to go bitter. Good amount of lime juice. And in goes the unflavored jello. And to take this pie up just a notch, I'm going to add a little bit of concentrated food coloring. A little goes a long way. So I'm going to do 1 of green and about 2 of yellow. If you start mixing and you notice that your color is not as bright green, then you can definitely add a few more drops. I actually had to add a total of 3 drops of green and 2 drops of yellow to get this nice kind of like lime green color. And in goes the batter. And into the refrigerator covered this goes. And that is it, everyone, for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.